Welcome to Beautyistic, where we get straight to the heart of beauty. If you've been searching for a Kajal pencil that delivers intense color and stays in place all day, you might want to stick around for this one. Today we're exploring the Kiko Milano Colour Kajal in 01 Black. Known for its matte finish and smudge-resistant formula, this pencil promises to elevate your eye makeup routine with precision and depth. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Kiko Milano Colour Kajal is designed for those looking for an easy-to-use, high-pigment eyeliner that stays in place without fading. Available in the classic black shade, this pencil features a matte finish, making it versatile for both bold and subtle eye looks. It's made with a smudge-resistant formula, which means you don't have to worry about constant touch-ups. The pencil itself has a smooth texture, gliding effortlessly on the skin, and it's designed to be used on the inner eye for that precise, striking look. I started incorporating this kajal into my daily routine, applying it to my waterline and along my lower lash line. The application was smooth, with no tugging or irritation, a huge plus, especially since the inner eye area can be sensitive. One of the things I noticed immediately was how easy it was to build up the intensity. A single swipe gives you a nice, bold black line, but you can layer it for a deeper, darker effect without it becoming too heavy. As for longevity, I was pleasantly surprised. The formula truly is smudge-resistant, which is something that's often promised but not always delivered. I wore it through an entire workday, and by the end, my eye makeup was just as sharp as when I first applied it. There was no fading or transfer onto my skin, which can be an issue with other kajals or pencils that claim to be smudge-proof. However, I did notice that it's not as waterproof as some of the other high-end pencils I've tried. While it stayed put through a few light tears, it did begin to wear off when exposed to more moisture. So if you're expecting it to last through a swim or a heavy sweat session, you might want to look for something with stronger water resistance. Let's talk about the price point. Kiko Milano is known for offering quality products at reasonable prices, and this kajal is no exception. It's a solid product for the cost, offering great performance without breaking the bank. It's definitely affordable compared to other smudge-resistant, high-pigment eyeliners on the market, but it doesn't skimp on quality. If you're someone who wants a reliable kajal pencil for everyday wear without splurging, this is a great option. When comparing this to other kajals in the same category, the Kiko Milano Colour Kajal stands out for its smooth application and intense color payoff. Some other pencils I've tried have a drier formula or don't provide the same level of pigmentation, so if you're looking for a deep, bold look with ease, this one definitely has the edge. On the downside, it does fall a bit short on water resistance compared to some premium options, but for the price, it's a solid performer. In terms of build quality, the pencil is sturdy and easy to sharpen. The packaging is simple but functional, and while it's not luxurious, it does the job. As for longevity, I've been using this pencil for a few weeks now, and there's been no noticeable reduction in quality. The formula stays smooth and pigmented, and there's no breakage or drying out so far. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for beauty products that are both high quality and affordable, this is a great pick. There are alternatives out there, but for a kajal that checks the boxes of pigmentation, smooth application, and smudge resistance, the Kiko Milano Colour Kajal stands tall in the mid-range category. So, does the Kiko Milano Colour Kajal live up to its claims? Absolutely. It offers bold, intense color with a smooth, easy application. If you're looking for a matte, smudge-resistant pencil for the inner eye, this one is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, the link to purchase this product is in the description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. Was it a hit or miss for you? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.